Something a lot of people don't even know about me. Things. I don't know. Just think about now. My name is Mike Slagle, and I am an account manager with Murals Your Way. My favorite food would be pizza. The best pizza I've had was in Italy, but I like to make pizza, and I make from scratch. I like to make my own sauce, so definitely be my favorite food. I was a bird. What kind of bird would I want to be? I would be a loon, because they make super cool, like their songs are really interesting. A lot of experiences camping, and you wake up in the middle of the night and you hear this loon like doing this thing on the lake. It's like really haunting and really beautiful. When I'm 10 years old, I wanted to be an artist or a baseball player, one of the two. What is one thing everyone should know about selecting a mural? Make sure the image you're sending us is a high-res image, because so many we get are just like super low quality images that everybody can't use.